See if we can't get this moved today. It's the biggest birdhouse in the county. Oh, don't bust my butt. Yeah. And needs a little pressure washing. Hopefully there's nothing in that nest right there. Of course, everything around it has got giant spikes and thorns. Awesome. That's a huge bitch. Jesus Christ. That's a big machine. Whew. Can't really get a good scale, but see how big that machine is. Yeah, it's big. Wow. Oh, that's strap. All right, let's see how this will work. Wrap it around the back, wrap it around the top, put it on the trailer. Fingers crossed. This is gonna be real sketchy. I got no spotter, so let's see how we do. Well, she's on there. Got all the feet planted. They're not all cut the right length. I just kind of guessed, but oh, I did pretty good. One's a little short, so I'll shim that. Well, I got it strapped down each side on the porch. It's not too much tongue weight for anything, except for I really wish I had air in my airbags because it's got the jack pretty low. But if I run into any issues, I'll go up and get my little portable air compressor and raise the back end up about 4 inches. Got some bumpy terrain. It's going real slow. Made it through the power lines. I don't know if you can see them on the video or not. We had about 2 extra feet to spare. The road's the easy part. We get on the road, we'll be good. This is the rough part. Rough ride right here. A good little way still to go. The creek is running beside me over there all the way down. This is the other sketchy part right here. It's real steep. Going up there. May not look like it here, but it's real steep by that tree and rutted out real bad. So I got it up here to the top of the mountain. It didn't get beat up too bad. It was really high and some of the branches were hitting on the metal, so that part was kind of weak. It did pull it up a little. I'll just bend that back down. Other than that, nothing happened, and catching some leaves, that was it. So I'm gonna wash her up and stay tuned to what we do next.